Only good to grow is your small garden and the flowers. Yeah. Hey, coming the flowers now.
Nagbulaklak na ngayon.
Orchid bud.
Orchids, this one.
Oo.
Maganda. Nice. Tapos yung sibuyas namin. Octopus.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. This one. Dragon fruit. Mabuhay.
Orchid and orchid.
This one, orchids. Orchids, mamulaklak na siya.
And there your vegetables, garlic and spring onions.
Sibuyas and garlic. Malamig masyado dito kasi mag-winter na. Oh, kaya lagi ako nagkakape. I drink milk and kape.
After party today. South wind, very cold.
Maganda yung pag sobrang lamig din kapag sarap na tulog. Sarap na tulog. Tapos lagi na pahiga. Kasi sobrang lamig.
Good light even though dull.
Degrees sa labas. Ito sa loob 15. Tomorrow mainit ng ulan ulit. Ulan ulit. Bukas.
Good air and cheaper to live than Baguio City.
Again, here, my love. The orchid. Oh, have a little.
Orchid beginning to bloom now.
Mag-umpisa ng bulaklak niya. Ibang klase yung bulaklak. Flower.
And these ones.
This one, what name?
Orchid again, different variety.
Orchid. This one, what name this one?
Another orchid.
Orchid.
And this one. Orchid again.
This one also. Orchid also.
Uh-oh.
Have a flower.
I love my orchids.
Have a flower on small flower. Yeah.
Coming soon.
You go. I will be. How many minutes?
5 over.
Okay.
Oh, Cape, joking only.
Kape, oh.